Hello friends, this is Durga from IT University, one-stop shop for learning all the technologies. In this video, as part of Apple Mac for IT professionals, I will try to cover the pre-installed applications. So when you set up your Mac with OS X, it comes with uh, some applications pre-installed, and those applications can be found by clicking on the Finder on bottom left corner, and if you click on applications, you will see all the applications here. Similarly, you can also find all the applications by uh, going to Launchpad. So Launchpad I removed from the dock, so they are not there. But if you click on the Launchpad, you can get all the pre-installed applications here. Okay, and also you can move any new applications to Launchpad if you want. So these are the pre-installed applications. App Store, I'm not sure about Automator. You have Calculator, Calendar, Chess, which is a game, Dashboard. So this is the dashboard. You can also come to dashboard by using your three fingers on the touchpad. If you scroll to the right, you have to swipe with three fingers to the right, then it will come to the dashboard. So again, you can add more applications here if you want, or you can also move, I think, like this, and you can arrange the dashboard. So if you want to have a dashboard of most frequently used applications, you can have them here as well. And then dictionary, I'm not sure about the DVD player. Yeah, FaceTime, so same as our mobile phones such as iPhone and iPad, they have FaceTime also. You can do the FaceTime with any of the Apple devices, including the Mac. This is Firefox, which I have installed after setting up the laptop. This is font book, all the fonts will be here. Game Center, same as our mobile devices, Apple mobile devices. GarageBand for music, iBooks, image capture to capture the photos, iTunes, so that you can sync your Apple phones or Apple mobile devices by connecting to the laptop. iTunes is pre-installed on Mac. And then you have mail, so you can configure the mails, maps, messages, so you can actually do iMessages using your Mac. So you can click on the messages and you can start chatting for free uh, with Apple devices with your friends. You need to log in with the mobile number and all those things, and then it will take care it for you. Mission control. So mission control is if you have too many windows open, if you want to navigate through them, mission control is the app which works behind the scenes. And also it has the key as well on your keyboard. The fourth key from the left, left to top left, is the mission control. You can hit that. I am hitting now. It's F3. If you hit F3, it will go to the mission control, and you can navigate between the current windows that are being used on your desktop. And this is another software which I have installed. These two icons are related to that. Notes is like sticky pad. Photo booth, so it is like your photo library. Photos is another photo library. I don't know much difference between the two, but there are two apps for photos. Preview, so anything, any documents, if you want to preview, you can do that. Like you can read the PDF files and many other formats using preview. QuickTime player to play your videos. Reminders, if you want to set reminders. Stickies is the one for sticky pad. Notes is to make the notes. Safari is the default browser which will be installed. System preferences, I will create another video for system preferences later. It is like control panel. Text edit, it's like rich text editor. And time machine, so if you want to take the snapshots of your laptop incrementally, and if you want to restore to any state back in time, you can use the time machine. And then finally utilities, if you double click on that, it has a few more uh, applications that are pre-installed. Activity monitor is to check your health status of your Mac. Airport utility, airport is the Wi-Fi router of Apple. It's a hardware product. You can if you buy it and if you want to take care of some things, you can use airport utility. And I'm not sure audio MIDI setup, probably it is for music buffs. This is for Bluetooth file exchange, so if you have the Bluetooth device, you can use the Bluetooth file exchange. You have bootcamp assistant, I'm not sure what much about it. Color sync utility and console and many other things. Disk utility is used to manage your disk. You can double click on disk utility and create partitions on your hard disk on your Mac and use it for different purposes. So if you want to create partitions, you can do it by getting into disk utility, and also it will show you the fragmentation and all those things. But Mac self corrects itself. There will be hardly any fragmentation in the hard disks when you use Mac. And then keychain access. So if you want to save the passwords when you try to log in to different apps and websites, you can use keychain, and keychain will be synced to the cloud. So I think once you save on one machine, it can be shared on the other machines also. Okay, I'm not sure whether it is synced with the cloud or not. And then migration assistant X11 is to launch the desktops for the remote servers. Voice over utility, system information, script editor. So all these are pre-installed utilities on your Mac. And then you have the terminal, which I will cover in a separate video. So this is the quick tour about applications. I don't use many of the apps that frequently. I only use calculator sometimes, and QuickTime Player I use to watch videos. Other than that, I don't use most of them. I sometimes use FaceTime messages. I configure mails. I will cover another video for configuring mails on your Mac. Yes, Safari is probably the most frequently used app from the applications. And then from utilities, I use terminal quite a bit, which I will cover in a separate video. That being said, I hope you are enjoying the content on the channel. If you like this video, please click on the like button. If you want to provide the feedback, please use the comment section of the video. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. You will get to see a lot more content like this over time. Thank you. Bye.